learners. This is a reckless decision because the minister, what was saying is that he's going to retrench about 19,000 of educators, taking into account that our province have over 2.6 million of learners, over 90,000 of educators. So when you are saying you have a problem of funding because
Sanibonani yanibingelele yamanyanda entokazi uDikane uKhwenta unyanda wephahla kanti ke naludaba enginiphathele lona kwezepolitiki umkhonto wesizwe phathi ushaya phansi ngonyawo uphikisana nesinqumo esathathwa iANC iqembu leli libusayo ngenxa yokufuna ukukhuphula iVAT ngo2%. Umkhonto wesizwe phathi ukhala ngeindleko eziningi kubhekene nazo South Africa kanye nokutsheka komnotho ukuthi izinto ziyabiza ngekulunge ukuthi kukhushulwe iVAT. Kanti ke iANC ibisizama ngezinye indlela. Eyokuqala eyokuqeda umsebenzi ukudilizwa kothisha kwaZulu Natal. Kanye nesibonelelo sakwaSASSA igrant sabangasebenzi. Naso lesibonelelo sika 350 engathi sisengcupheni yokumiswa uma kunje. Abantu ke baphawulile ngalolu daba ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Bathi ke kungani uRamaphosa engaqali ngokubheka kwicabinet lakhe adilize khona kuqala njoba icabinet lihola kakhulu. Kubalwa ke nezindleko lapha yana zemizi elihlala kuzona. Kubalwa ugesi ukuthi umahala ha nezimoto abahamba ngazo zimahala ha. Abakhokhi kanti bahola kakhulu. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ukucabanga lapha ku-comment section asihlangane khona.
It's a decisions of national treasury that have really failed our country with these austerity measures. If you look at the past 3 financial year, the Department of Education have lost about 27 billion, due to 6 billion budget cut per every year. You've got over 4,000 to 6,000 support office-based positions that cannot be filled. As we speak, in most of the schools, they cannot be able to keep up with basic operations. And we've got about 6,000 learners in the 6,000 schools in the province, and 86% of those schools are no-fee schools. If government is unable to find them, it creates a crisis. It's a national crisis that needs to be attended as quickly as possible. That's why, as PSA in the province, we have called for dialogue. We have said to the Prim of KwaZulu-Natal and MEC of Education, you must be able to engage because most of schools are in crisis. The sad part is that most of government leaders, in particular the politicians, their kids are studying in most expensive schools. It is for this reason we are saying the minister must be able to allocate more funds, because if you look at this department to be able to sustain even paying of salaries, they need over 2 billion because over 50 billions goes towards salaries. Most of the essential services are not being taken care of. So whether we also need to talk about the reform, whether the issue of nutrition, whether it's placed, whether we can be able to ensure that schools are being given money to be able to operate, and ensure that the department also use the money in a responsible manner. So we have a crisis. We are sitting on the ticking bomb where over 19,000 of our educators will be retrenched. So it is for this reason, as PSA in the province, is something that we cannot accept.
As you sit on this ticking time bomb, what kind of threat does it